ready for the James Charles palette shot. Hide these dark circles, conceal away, conceal away, conceal away, yeah, yeah, yeah. So these are the colours, and the colours are very bright. Very bright. I know I'm being very boring, but I am going to meet a friend and I don't want them to be like, what the hell, you really went in with the makeup today. If you've been watching my videos, then you know blending is key to make sure that your eyeshadow is popping and it's not stagnant. And that's it really. I don't do much of a bronze because my face is already kind of contoured already and I just don't want to be looking like a skeleton at the end of it. And that is the final look, guys. Now I need some Morphe eyeshadow brushes. Like, that's all I've got to say. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a James Charles palette review. So I'm sporting the James Charles palette. I created this kind of green with envy look for you guys and I want to know your thoughts. But before we get into that video and I show you how to create this look, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays and I'd love to have you here. But what are you waiting for? Oh, you subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is go in with a primer. This is the Morphe Revitalizer foundation primer and I'm just going to pop like just a little bit and work that into my skin. Okay, now that my skin is all primed, I'm now going to conceal my eyebrows. I'm using the Morphe Concealer in C325. This has actually become one of my favourite concealers, to be honest. I just love how it just conceals my eyebrows. I'm also going to conceal my under eye area just because lately I have not been sleeping. I've been working like a dog, guys, and those dark circles are starting to shine through. Conceal away, conceal away, conceal away, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hide these dark circles. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is the Morphe 410 foundation in matte. And you really don't want to go overboard with this foundation. Like one little squirt and that does the job. I think I told you when I was doing my foundation review that I had to kind of try out a lot of shades simply because this foundation does oxidize, so you do want to kind of make sure you get some air to that foundation to make sure it's the right shade. But less is more with this foundation because it does go a long way. Okay, moving on to the main attraction, I'm just going to use the Morphe Eyelid Primer just to prime my eyelids, ready for the James Charles palette shot. So I'm just placing just a little bit on this eye and then a little bit in that eye, and I'm just going to work that in with a blending sponge. Okay guys, what you've all been waiting for, this is the James Charles palette, and he says, hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my palette. I love glam, but I also have a huge passion for crazy, colourful, outside of the box makeup, and I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautifully formulated shade necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist. Alright James, baby boy, we gon' unleash. We gon' unleash for you. So these are the colours, and the colours are very bright. Very bright. As I'm wearing green today, I think I might do like a kind of green ombre look for you guys. I know I'm being very boring, but I am going to meet a friend and I don't want them to be like, what the hell, you really went in with the makeup today. We gon' keep it real cute for you guys, but I'm not gonna be doing the most. So the first shade that I want to go in with is Social Blade, which is a kind of like luminous lime green color, and that is the color, guys, and I'm just gonna go in with that on my base. Oh, now I need some Morphe eyeshadow brushes. Like, that's all I've got to say. So I'm just applying this to my eyelid, and the color is quite good. Like, it's coming off quite easy. I do think that this shade is very bright, but don't worry, we're going to go in with a darker shade just to blend that in and make it a little bit more not as bright, you know. That color is actually really cute on my eyes, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And I'm just gonna blend that in for like about 5 minutes. If you've been watching my videos, then you know blending is key to make sure that your eyeshadow is popping and is not stagnant. Okay, so just to finish off that look and give my eyes that extra pop, I'm using Guac on my lash line, which is a kind of like metallic green color. And just to brighten that up, in the corner of my eyes, I'm going to place Face, which is a shimmering gold color. I kind of felt like my lash line was a little bit boring, so I just added Cape Cod to it, which is this like a kind of like metallic blue color, just to brighten up a little bit. I'm just going to do my bronzer and then come back to you with my contour. Okay guys, so I literally did my like lipstick, bronzer and mascara, and I'm just going to contour with the Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer in Mega Star. I love this. I literally use this every day to contour now. I think it's like so amazing, and it just helps like my look, giving me an extra bronze, you know. And that's it really. I don't do much of a bronze because my face is already kind of contoured already, and I just don't want to be looking like a skeleton at the end of it. So yeah, and that is the final look, guys. So what am I feeling like? I'm feeling like I'm really loving Morphe at the moment. I love that Morphe brush that I use to put on my foundation. I'm loving this James Charles palette. I really feel like with the colour scheme I could have gone a lot overboard. But you know me, I'm a little bit plain Jane with my makeup majority of the time, unless I'm creating looks for you guys. So yes, I did want to do like yellows and pinks and all of that, but I was just like, is it too much? I'm also going to meet my friend and I don't want him to be like, wow, you really dressed up for me, because I didn't. I actually was filming a look, babe. But yeah guys, what do you think? Like, what kind of looks have you created using the James Charles palette, and what kind of looks do you think I could have gone for? If you like that video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from that video, I'll be happy for you to share that video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of these products so you can purchase them. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what guys? Bougie.